Hey, welcome to StreetMotoZ. I got a little problem going on with my Ninja 650. The throttle is a bit loose. Let's check into it. As you can see, here's the throttle. See how it's loose? I mean, that's okay like that, but there's a little bit of play there. On the Ninja 650, there's like a throttle cable that runs up under here. Under here, this is the throttle cable here. So what I'm gonna do is loosen this thumb screw just a little. This is the lock thumb screw. This is the adjustment thumb screw. So I've loosened the lock thumb screw and now we're gonna adjust it. So we'll unscrew this outward until still loose. Keep going. Still loose. Keep going. Ooh, getting better. Keep going. Almost gone. A little more. Okay, now look at this. Very nice. That's about where you want it. You want a little bit of wiggle, not much. So now that it's adjusted just right, let's lock this down with a lock thumb screw, and it goes up against the adjustment thumb screw. Tight. And now the adjustment thumb screw is locked in place. Let's check it out. Very little wiggle. All right. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. And remember, it's not about the destination. It's about the ride, baby. Yeah! Still got my Dragonfly, buddy. Woo!